Okay, so when you try and start your motor and it's hydrolocked, your starter's going to chew the teeth up on this flywheel like it did right here. Now that there's basically where the flywheels got chewed up from the starter. The reason this happens is because, most likely you got water in the cylinders and it hydrolocked. So what you can do is you can flip your flywheel upside down, take your hammer and chisel. You can knock that ring gear off there, and it'll pop right off. Just go around it nice and gently, evenly, and it'll pop off there. But this one here happened from a guy which shut his boat off before the boat stopped floating and fell down in the water and got off plane, and that's why the water got through the exhaust and up into the cylinder, hydrolocked his motor. He kept trying to crank it. Okay, so we're going to have our oven set at 400 degrees, and we're going to cook that new ring gear at 400 degrees and heat it up. And we're just going to take it out there and just set it on the flywheel nice and gently. And it'll slide right on there. It being 400 degrees, it'll fall right in place. Set it down there. The flywheel itself will take the heat out of the ring gear, collapse it to its normal state, and it will stay there. It's basically all but welded. The only better way to get this on there and not fall off is to weld it, but you don't need to weld them. So anyway, like I said, they shut their motor off while the boat was still on plane, and that's what caused this problem, which is deal with pulling the engine, flywheel cover, bell housing, and here's the part number you need for a basic standard 13 1/4 inch flywheel.